This question is also based on Simpson's 1/3 rule, and this question also was asked in GATE 2015 mechanical branch. And first read the question. Simpson's 1/3 rule is used to integrate the function. The function is f of x. This is the function between x equal to 0 and x equal to 1 using the least number of equal sub-interval the value of integrations. Okay, so before calculating this value, first write down the formula for Simpson's 1/3 rule. And this is the formula for Simpson's 1/3 rule. It is same as the trapezoidal rule which I have described it before. X0 is the lower limit here. You take lower limit x0, that is 0, and higher limit, that is x0 plus nh, that will be 1, and h. The value of h is not given, but you have to find it. Given that using the least number of equal sub-interval, okay, n, that is the equal number of sub-interval, least number. Here another thing I will remember you, that is n. The value of n is always even in case of Simpson's 1/3 rule. So n, that is n equal number of sub-interval. So we will take n equal to 2, which is even, and the least number. When n equal to 2 means we have 2 sub-interval. Then we have to calculate the value of y1 up to yn. Create a table first. This is the table which this is the value of x. First I will take the lower limit, that is 0, and then we'll divide into 2 sub-interval. So next point will be 0.5 and next point will be 1. This now it divided into 2 sub-interval, that is interval length is 0.5, it is also 0.5. And this will be y, that is f of x, whose value is given as 1/3x square plus 9/5. Now put the value of x to get the value of y. When put the value of x equal to 0, then you will get, that will be 9/5. When you will put 0.5 in place of x, then you will get 1.883. Always write 3 digit after decimal because it is numerical integrations. You can get the approximate value. When you put x equal to 1 here, then you will get 1/3 plus 9/5. After simplification, its value will be 2.133. Now I have created this table. By using this table, we'll calculate the value of numerical integrations. Okay, so write down the integration first. This is the integration whose lower limit equal to 0 and upper limit is 1. And what is the function? That is y is equal to f of x, which is equal to 1/3x square plus 9/5. Write down what here, 1/3x square plus 9/5 whole into dx. Now put the value. This formula is also same as trapezoidal rule. Little difference is that is the y0, the first term, and yn, that is the last term, and here y1 y3, this is the odd part, and y2 y4, that is the even part. First you have to find out the first and last term, and this is the y0, this is the y1, and this is the y2. So first term, last term, that is y0, and the last term is y2. Write down what here. Before that, there is h by 3. So value of h is 0.5. That is the step size. 0.5 minus 0, 0.5, 1 minus 0. That is 0.5. 0.5 divided by 3, not 2, whole into y0, the first term, that is 9 divided by 5, plus last term, that is 2.133, plus 4 whole into odd part, that is y1, which is odd. So I can write 4 whole into 1.883, but there is no even part, so neglect this part. Now next step is to calculate the value of this expression. When you calculate it, the value will be 11.465. Simply use calculator, and after simplification, this value will be 1.910.